Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we are going to be doing a get it all done with me for the weekends coming up. Today is currently Friday. I'm going to be uploading this though on Saturday for a motivation for you guys, because this is going to be everything I need to have done for the following week. I will be doing a large Whole Foods haul. I'm going to be doing my meal planning for the week, so I have some dinner ideas for you guys. Also, I need to do a pantry and fridge organization and cleaning. So let's get into it. And now, adore me, adore me. Little did I know she wanted you alone. I thought she was over you, but I guess I was wrong. I came to the So typically when I'm meal planning, I do 1 week at a time because I do grocery hauls once a week. I don't do it for every 2 weeks or every couple weeks. I just find that it works better for me and it's easier because I think it's less stressful to think of less meals at a time than if I'm thinking of like 14 meals worth at a time. That just, oh, it hurts my brain. I just run out of ideas and I get frustrated. So I started doing it weekly and I find it easier. Especially, you know, with things being more expensive now, I think it's easier to budget that way too. So if you guys haven't tried it, I mean, maybe you would like it. It might work better for you, or maybe it works better for you if you have a bigger family, you need to do more meals at one time. You know, everybody's different. But it definitely helps to plan and get it all down. So this is going to be starting for all of my meals on Monday. This is starting Monday on through next weekend. Foods haul just arrived and it's a big one this time. Got lots of stuff for all my meals that we planned, enough for 7 days, hopefully. I mean, my kids eat a lot, so I'll probably run out of snacks, but we got some thin sliced chicken breast for the chicken parm, and then the 2 packs of chicken tenderloins. We always need those for the chicken and rice bake and the chicken quesadillas. Got a big bag of broccoli. This is my kids' favorite vegetable, about the only one I can get them willingly to eat. We got some chicken sausage. This is the tomato, basil, and mozzarella. It's really good. We've had this one before. Red onion. This is to make with the chicken quesadillas. We have some chicken burgers. This brand is really good, Bell & Evans. I really like it. Applegate turkey hot dogs because I don't eat red meat or pork, so I get the turkey ones and they're really good. Some tater tots, garlic and herb rice. This brand is really good. Some Mexican style cheese for the quesadillas. 2 bags of the pirate booty because my kids go through these really fast. Gluten-free bow tie noodles. All my noodles I do gluten-free. They're easier on my stomach. This brand is my favorite brand. I also like Barilla, but this one's my favorite. And some lunch meat. This is my favorite, the turkey breast. And then the Applegate salami is really good, and my kids love the Colby Jack cheese. Some basmati rice. This is for the chicken and rice bake. I also had to get probiotic yogurts for my son. He is currently on an antibiotic because he has an ear infection and sinus infection. So I wanted to pick these up for his stomach just because antibiotics can be a little bit harsh on your belly. Some shredded carrots to go in the chicken and rice bake. Some more noodles for the chicken parm. These are also gluten-free. Taco seasoning, Annie's cheddar bunnies, and cookie bites. Those are the kids' favorite. That's their favorite brand. Spanish rice, some chicken broth. This I need to make with chicken and rice bake. some cinnamon applesauce, diced bell peppers. This will go with the quesadillas. The minced garlic will go in the quesadillas. Fruit punch for my son, lemonade for my daughter. This is our favorite brand of chicken nuggets, the gluten-free Applegate chicken nuggets. They have a really good taste. Some diced onions, that's for the chicken and rice bake. Some strawberries, my kid's favorite fruit. Then I have some salsa, some fresh salsa. This is for the chicken quesadillas. Some lettuce to go with the chicken burgers. Some berry strawberry Pop-Tarts. These are for my son, he loves these. Tortilla wraps. Hamburger buns for the chicken burger. Hot dog buns for the turkey hot dogs. I don't do gluten-free buns. I don't do everything gluten-free, but what I can, I try to do gluten-free. And I also don't do gluten-free tortillas. I've tried them and I really don't like them. But what's most important is the noodles. And I try to do gluten-free meats if I can. I got some aluminum foil. This is the Whole Foods brand. This is good. Also a good price. And that is pretty much it for our Whole Foods order. So now let's get into organizing and packing all this stuff away.
You only call me on the weekends when you're out and about, only chasing highs. You need me. He brings me flowers on a Tuesday. He gives me good loving, something that I never thought existed. I know what I need, ain't gonna lie. I know what I want, speaking my mind now. A queen needs a king to be by her side.
So these are the birthday cake Rice Krispie treats by Annie's, and I really recommend these. They are for my daughter and my son, but I eat them all the time. They are so good. They have a really good taste, but they're not too sweet, and they are gluten-free. So anybody that is gluten-free, these would be a great, healthier choice for you.
It's like we're stuck, you won't grow up, and I'm getting tired, I'm tired of waiting for you to make your move. He can love me better than you. He can love me better than you. On my mind's loving's on my mind. He can do me better, he can do me better. On my mind's everything I like.
This is our favorite bread. It's the Arnold sandwich thin, and it's the cauliflower and veggie herb. It's so good. It has a great taste. No, this is not gluten-free, even though it has cauliflower made in it. So I just want to make that clear for anybody that is fully gluten-free. But if you're not fully gluten-free and you want a healthier option, this is really good bread, and I highly recommend.
I've been thinking about you day and night and day and night. To be honest, I just don't know what to do next. 'Cause I'm the one with a broken heart, waiting for you to come out and save me. Hide my mess, need to untangle. And I'm a fool for you, baby, fool for you, baby. Waiting for you to come out and save me. Fool for you. Disappearing at last. You made me fall without saying a sentence. Won't you give me any warning? I've been thinking about you day and night and day and night. To be honest, I just don't know what to do next. 'Cause I'm the one with a broken heart, waiting for you to come out and save me. I'm a mess, need to untangle. And I'm a fool for you, baby, fool for you, baby. Waiting for you to come out and save me. Fool for you. That's something that you do to me is chemical. I know it isn't logical. Something that you do to me. I'm the one with a broken heart, waiting for you to come out and save me. I'm a mess, need to untangle. And I'm a fool for you, baby, fool for you, baby. Waiting for you to come out and save me. Fool for you.
Seem all rude, but I can't remember where I am. A mattress on an old wood floor and fragments of the night before. I don't wanna waste no time, and you don't wanna waste your love. Even though your kiss on fire, my mind is all blurry now. Feeling low, hard to breathe, but this I know, I won't leave. Waking up in a bed with my head on the chest that I don't even know, but I guess it makes sense. 'Cause I know we both learned everything that happened last night. So just come back to bed. I wanna hold you. Come back to bed. To be other than right here. You look so good wrapped in those sheets. You sound so nice, mumble while you sleep. Feeling low, hard to breathe, but this I know, I won't leave. Waking up in a bed with my head on the chest that I don't even know, but I guess it makes sense. 'Cause I know we both learned everything that happened last night. So just come back to bed. I wanna hold you. Come back to bed.
huh, boy? Say you need a little space, yeah, boy. Is it cause you can't be faithful, boy? Hope she's cool, unlike you. You ain't ready for a girlfriend, no, cause you think I'll steal your weekends, no, so you make up shitty reasons for, want it out, see.
So I always buy a really big pack of strawberries because it lasts longer, and I have these ventilated fruit containers that I use for them, and they work really well. My strawberries never go moldy. They always last until my kids finish all of them. I always leave a paper towel at the bottom to just soak up any, moisture in there so they don't get moldy. And yes, I did pre-wash these, so they are not dirty. They are washed, and I did dry them. I always pat them to dry so that way they don't stay too wet. As you can see, I'm doing that now. I just don't like to find them wet when I take them out, because even if they don't get moldy, they do get soggy, and my kids are picky and they will not eat them then.
I'm not even mad, boy, but I'm confused. Shouldn't you be keeping me at 10 when you're 2? I can't help but feel sympathetic, I do. You think you're bad, boy, but I feel bad for you. Think you're bad, boy, think you're bad, boy, think you're bad, but I feel bad for you. I'm not even mad, I'm not even mad, I'm not mad, I'm not mad, I just feel bad for you. If you wanted to hurt me, well, you failed big time, cause I knew you would panic and run. I won't chase you, baby, I'm too good without. If you think that I'm crying, you're wrong. Think you're bad, boy, think you're bad, boy, think you're bad, but I feel bad for you. I'm not even mad, I'm not even mad, I'm not mad, I'm not mad, I just feel bad for you. Think you're bad, boy, think you're bad, boy, think you're bad, but I feel bad for you. I'm not even mad, I'm not even mad, I'm not mad, I'm not mad, I just feel bad for you. Think you're bad, boy, think you're bad, boy, think you're bad, but I feel bad for you. I'm not even mad, I'm not even mad, I'm not mad, I'm not mad, I just feel bad for you, for you. You walked in and I thought, here we go.
So guys, that's going to be the end of this video. I hope you really enjoyed everything. And if you want to see more content like this, comment below. I'd love to do more for you. And I hope you all have a great weekend.
It's all in my head, I fall in love.